Hey everybody, it's Dennis from Power Automedia. We're here at PRI 2015, and I'm here with my friend Andrew Obermeyer from Blueprint Engines. Now, a lot of people might not realize that when they're thumbing through their catalogs from JEGS or Summit, they're looking at a lot of your product, but really what I want to know is what's new and what's going on over there this year.
Yeah, Blueprint Engines, we've been assembling engines for over 30 years now, and now we're actually starting to engineer and design a lot more of our own components that we use on our engines here.
Talk a little bit about what goes into these engines. Now, you've been assembling engines for a long time, and you also dyno them and do a warranty for them.
We do. We have an industry-leading 30-month, 50,000-mile warranty on all of our engines. And now, like you said, we're starting to engineer our own components where we control the cost and quality on these. So when we do that, we can pass on that savings to the end user.
And one of the things that is the strength of Blueprint Engines is the entry cost. You know, you can go out and spend a lot of money on an engine, but you have everything from the regular jobber guy that wants a $2,500 small block all the way up to a 632 tall deck.
Exactly. You know, we don't want to have the budget of somebody's build be a hindrance towards the engine. So we start somebody out there, you know, at a base 355, part number BP 35511 CT1. That's a 310 horse, 360 foot-pounds of torque for about $2,500. Or if somebody has that bigger appetite, wants some more horsepower, that you can go to that tall deck, big block Chevy 632 that is 815 horse, 800 foot-pounds of torque for about $11,599.
Let's talk about some of the engineering going into the new pieces. You guys casting your own engines and being able to look at the quality. How does that affect your ability to put the product out?
When we cast our own blocks and we control the quality that we have there, we can use our value proposition, which is more horsepower for your money. So we can pass along that savings to you.
Well, let's also talk about cylinder heads. You've got a great display behind us. Talk about the advantages of them, someone going to Blueprint Engines and selecting some of your cylinder head options.
Sure. If they already have their own bottom end that they have started working on, you can top the engine off with one of our cylinder heads. It'll be a good addition to your build. A lot of times that'll upgrade your build to, you know, make the next bracket or make the next horsepower jump that you're looking to go towards.
What's next for Blueprint Engines? What's on the horizon for the company as a whole?
Yeah, Blueprint Engines, we're always looking forward, trying to figure out the next trend in the automotive industry. We're working with LS engines right now. It's a big popular area for us. We do a 364, 408, and even a 427. Do those in base engines, long blocks, complete engines, and even supercharged versions. And
you even mentioned something about doing the 400 now. I mean, that can be a little risky, but sounds like you guys are willing to take on the task.
We are willing to take on the task. It is a new product line for us. We're very excited about it. Had a lot of buzz about it, so it's been a good thing for us.
All right, Andrew, if people want to know more about what's going on at Blueprint Engines and how to get a hold of you, how do they do it?
Sure. You go to our website, blueprintengines.com, or you can give us a call directly at 1-800-483-4263.
All right, and I'll give you my shipping address for the one I need for my Camaro. We'll talk about that later. More from Power Automedia coverage of PRI coming up soon.